2 weeks back,
Yeah.
myself and my wife came with my son.
Yeah.
So he was very curious to come to the park.
Yeah.
Usually we were coming earlier. So when we came, adoption dogs were there, some 4 or 5 dogs.
Okay.
Out of that, we selected him. They were named him as Bittu, but we changed as soon as I saw the
Color
I
and the
named him Bhairava.
Bhairava. Beautiful name, huh?
So he was crying. We were not ready because our house was very small, and as you know, in a Chickpet area, it's not
Very dog friendly. A little crowded, I understand.
very
Yeah.
crowded place.
Yeah.
Even we will not be able to take him out and all.
Yeah.
So somehow he was crying. No, I want a puppy. So we adopted him.
And how is he doing in the last 2 weeks?
Yeah, he is good. Very friendly. So he wants to play all the time. So as soon as whoever comes inside, he wants him to play with him.
How lovely, how lovely. And this is something that we really love to see more of. But let me ask your little son. So why did you adopt Bittu cum Bhairav?
Because it was black in color and it was active, that's why.
So and now is he keeping you active?
Yes,
Ah. And you love him?
yes.
I love him too. But you know what I love the most? I love to see families like you who do what they do, which is with their heart. And what did you do? You adopted a dog, right? You've adopted, which means the dog has got a home. And you got a beautiful dog. And you got a dog which is called what?
Bhairav.
And what is Bhairav?
What is he to you?
Dog.
Yes. And he's also your brother.
Brother,
And
and he's also an indie.
He is an indie. And you know what an indie is?
Yes.
Which country are you from?
India.
And which country is he from?
I don't know.
India. So guess what? He's an indie. So Annie loves you.
So
I know.
say, are you indie proud?
Yes.
Say indie proud.
You say
Indie proud.
Just say.
Hindi Paul.
Okay, Indie Pal, that's good. There he is. I love dogs, but very nice to hear from you. We will add you to our Majestic squad. We've got a squad for Majestic, very small, but we can join and you can share whatever your things are. I would love to see Bhairav more often in the park.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, we love to see this. Yes, thank you.